Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Today we'll be removing the windshield reservoir tank on Mercedes CLK here. It will be the same procedure I think for the class. We have that one here, you can see. So those tend to crack. Sometimes they'll crack. So we have a video how to repair that on World Mechanics, our second channel, so you can check it out instead of buying one. So let's go ahead now and start disassembling that thing. So we need to remove the wire here. Okay, all we have to do, press on both sides and pull, but it's still stuck. We need to help it with a little bitty screwdriver here to spread those things. Okay, that's a little bit better with the light, I think now. Okay, almost done. Yeah, it's stuck pretty good. Okay, came out now. Next we need a 10mm socket. All the tools and parts we use guys, we'll share links on our website Mechanical Lifestyle, so feel free to check it out whenever you have a chance to. Okay, so I think there is one rubber seal holding there. Okay, perfect. We'll get it out of there loose now. And next we'll need to disconnect these two hoses. Okay, need to make sure, but I believe this is actually coolant there, so be careful because especially if the car is hot, that can hurt you if it sprays hot coolant in you. Okay, the way they're installed is not very convenient way to get to the clamp. Okay, if you turn it a little bit, you should be able to get to it. Okay, almost out. Perfect. One down, one more to go. And this one is stuck pretty good. If we lift it up like that, this should be the highest point. And also open your reservoir so you don't have any pressure in the cooling system. Again, never do that when the car is hot. Just let it sit overnight, make sure everything's cold, because otherwise you can burn yourself really bad. That's dangerous stuff. Okay, now trying to reach this one here. Okay, this one's done too. Okay, perfect. Now we're going to disconnect them from the side of the reservoir here. There's two more on the bottom. Okay, we will lift it up gently. Now we have the other hose on the bottom, and if this one is full actually, and the pump is located right here, if you have a bad pump, that's how you guys remove it. You see on this side, you make sure that you don't leak everywhere. Okay, so we'll need to remove that metal clip here. Just careful not to fly in your face. That's the one that holds that sheet metal here. Okay. Now we'll disconnect the wire for the pump. And all we have left is the hose on the bottom. Okay, perfect guys, and this is the windshield reservoir out of the Mercedes, you can see in no time. So you put everything together guys in reverse order, we took it apart. Thank you guys for watching, please subscribe. And so guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, see you guys next time.